Hey guys, weeks ago my son informed me his bike tires keep going flat. So today, I'm going to take care of that problem. Front tires are the easiest ones to fix because there's two bolts and they pop off relatively easy. In this particular case, his front tire is fine. You can see I put some slime in. That helps with the stickers. I've taken the rear tire off because that one was going flat. Tubes are relatively cheap. They can be found at Walmart, Target, bike stores, online, wherever you want to get them. You just got to see which kind of diameter tube you need. In this case, it's 26 inch. How do I know? If you look at your tire, it's going to tell you the size you need. This tire is a 26 by 2.35 inch. That's 26 inch diameter by 2.35 inches wide. So the tire I went with, 26 inch, but fits 1.75 to 2.25. Probably not quite wide enough, but it's going to be fine. I've already taken the rear wheel off. It's not too hard. And got his tube out. Now the tube does have a problem. I blew it up and immediately I found what the problem was. So this tube has a hole in it. You can see right there. It's unfixable, or it is fixable, but I just bought a cheap new tube and that's what I'm going to put in. Something I like to do is rub my fingers on the inside of the tube, feeling for any rough spots. I know he'll go through some stickers and pick some up that could also be a potential problem. So I'll go through, I'll look, and I'll also rub with my fingers so I can feel any issues in that tire. I'll go around the whole tire checking for stickers. When you do find one, take a razor blade from the outside and pop it out. Let me see if I can find one. So here, I've found a little sticker. Barely see it right there, but on the inside I could even feel it. Plus you can barely see it sticking through right there. That's a potential tire killer. So I'm going to take my razor blade and I'm just going to take that, find it, get that out of there. Alright, sticker's gone. Let's see if I can find any more. Alright, once I've searched the whole tube for any other additional stickers I need to take out, I'm ready to put my tube in. Now I got my tube in. I'm going to undo my cap. I'm going to take my air compressor, fill it up if I can. Yeah, sometimes a little tricky. Thing I like to do, blow it up a little bit. Play with your tire, make sure it's got a good seat. And I'll take and let all that air out again, because I want the tube to get in there, but I want to make sure it's not kinked or in there bad. Good. Put the cap back on and remount it. So that's how you replace the bike tire. It's one of the most rewarding things you can do as a father, because your kids will love you until it pops again, and it takes you a week to a few months to fix it. Thanks, guys.